Hi, today in Granddaddy's Kitchen, we're going to be making a coriander chutney dip. This is widely used around India in many meats and street food snacks. So let's get started with the ingredients. We have some fresh mint. We have some equal parts cumin and coriander powder. We have some chili. We have some ginger and garlic puree, equal parts. We have 2 large bunches of coriander. This is very important to have lots of it. And we got about 500 ml of natural yogurt, Greek yogurt, whatever yogurt you have at your disposal. So the best way to start this is you don't really want to be pureeing up all your yogurt, because if you put all your yogurt in the blender at once, it's going to make it run watery and really just bring it back to a milky basis. So we're going to put a little bit of in. We're going to put all that mint in. We're going to put all the coriander in. We're going to put a little bit more on top here. And hopefully this should be enough to get it started. You can see it's not really mixing, so we're going to turn it off. Take the back end of the spoon, it's the easiest one. I'm going to get it down there. Try it again. A little bit of water. There we go. Got some fresh black pepper. Got a little bit of sea salt. Chili flakes in there. Add some cumin, coriander. We're gonna add a teaspoon of ginger garlic puree. So we're gonna go back in. We really want to get a good puree out of this. So you can see the green color. So we're gonna take a little bit of a taste test right now. I like to try and season this mixture before it goes into the rest of the yogurt. So we're gonna be looking for quite a bit more salt. The pepper, the cumin is pretty much bang on. Again, the reason why we don't mix everything at once is because it's gonna make it, see the runniness that's going on there? That's what's gonna happen. So now we got everything like this. Now, again, this dip is used for loads of meats. You can keep it into your fridge a good week, definitely anyways. You notice it's gone a bit watery there. One step that we do here at the restaurant, it depends on how you like it. We like it a bit thicker so we can kind of do a little bit more, it's versatile. So we'd strain the yogurt overnight. We've got a bowl of coriander chutney here. I'm not about to go crazy on it, but like I said, it's ready to get in the fridge. We're gonna use the rest of this in the restaurant. And more importantly, it's good for any Indian snacks, or really any snacks in general. You have a taste of it. You really get that coriander punch through there. You know, I suggest marinating chicken in this, cooking it off on the grill. Do so much with it. The yogurt will break down any meat it's got going. So enjoy, try it at home, stay tuned.